Hey everyone! Today we're taking a quick trip to Armenia, a country with just, an incredible ancient history and absolutely stunning landscapes. And we're going to learn one of the most essential skills for any traveler, how to ask for directions. So let's just dive right in.
Okay, picture this. You've just landed in Yerevan. The city is buzzing with energy. You can see Mount Ararat in the distance, and there's that amazing smell of fresh coffee in the air. It's a perfect moment. Except you're a little bit lost. But hey, don't worry. A few keywords are all you need to turn that confusion into a friendly conversation.
So, first things first, before you can ask where something is, you need to know the what. Let's start by building a sort of mental map with the names of common places. These are the words you're going to build your questions around.
Let's start with the real fundamentals. For street, you'll say pakats. City is kagak. House is a nice and simple one. Tan. School is deprots. For office, it's Graysenyak, and a shop is chanut. These are the basic places you'll see and need pretty much everywhere you go.
All right, now for some more specific locations that are super useful for any traveler. Bank is easy. It's just bank. Post office is simply post. A hospital is Hyven Danots. A park is an Aigi. And restaurant is another one you'll recognize, restaurant. And with that, you now have a really solid vocabulary of places.
So, you know the what, but now you need the how. How do you describe movement and location? This next set of words is the key, really, to both understanding the answer to your question and describing where you want to go.
Here are the essential words for navigation. Think of them as your new best friends. Left is dzak. Right is aj. Straight is uchi. For distance, near is mut. And far is heru. Seriously? These 5 words are going to be your secret weapon when you're navigating the streets.
All right, we have our vocabulary for places and for directions. Now, let's see how they come to life in a real-world scenario. This is where simple words connect to form a really helpful conversation.
So, how do you start? You kick things off with neretsek, which is a really polite excuse me. Then you name the place you're looking for, in this case, Dprotsa, the school. And you finish with vorteg re-e, which just means where is. Simple, polite, and gets right to the point.
And here's the kind of answer you might get. And hey, notice the words we just learned? Dprotsa, the school. Then orire is straight ahead. Heto means then, and that's followed by aj, right. The school is straight ahead, then right. See, you already understand the response. How cool is that?
After getting directions, the next step is pretty much universal. A simple, heartfelt thank you. In Armenian, that's shnorhakalutsion. It's a bit of a mouthful, but expressing gratitude is always appreciated.
And the response you'll likely hear back is chantchrem. It means you're welcome or please. And just like that, you've had a complete successful interaction. You found your way, and you did it in Armenian.
Okay, so you've seen all the pieces and how they fit together in a real conversation. Now, the best way to make these words stick is to actually start using them. This is how you really make the language your own.
Let's start with a really simple one. Take shop, chanut, and near, mot. Put them together, chanuta mote. The shop is near. Go on, try saying it out loud. You can use this simple statement to just describe the world around you.
Now let's try the opposite. Remember bank and far? Banka herue. Bank, herue. The bank is far. It's the exact same simple structure. You name a place, and then you describe its location. You're already forming complete, useful sentences.
Our last example is a simple command. Gana means go. So gana uchich is go straight. You add yev heto for and then, and you finish with zak for left. Go straight and then left. This is a phrase you could easily hear or even use yourself right on the street.
And that's our quick guide to finding your way in Armenian. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? We started with just a handful of nouns and directions, and by the end, we were navigating a whole conversation. So, the final question is, now that you have these keys, what doors will you unlock? A few words can truly open up a new world. Where will they take you?